Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. Here I will explain another SQL problem that is asked from Microsoft during data engineer interview. So the problem was how you can delete duplicate records from a table. Let's understand the data here. For user ID A, we have order date 1st January and order amount 20k. So it's fine. And for the user ID A, we don't have any another records. Next, we have the user ID B, and their order date is 1st January and order amount is 15k. Also, we have a next record for the user ID B, and the order date is 1st January. It's same as previous, and order amount it's also 15k. It means the same as the previous order amount. So this is the duplicate records. Let's see for the user ID C, we have the date is 1st January and order amount is 25k. Next record for the user C, we have the same order date is 1st January and order amount is 25k. So it's also a duplicate records. Also we have third record for user ID C, and in a third record for the user ID C, we have the order date 2nd and order amount is 30k. It means it's a unique records, not a duplicate. So we have only two duplicate records. For the first is the for the user ID B and second for the user ID C. So we have firstly we have to identify those duplicate records, then we can delete. Okay, so for this I will use, for the identifying the duplicate records, I will use row number. Then according to the row number, I will delete those duplicate records. Okay, so let's see how I can frame the logic. Okay, so firstly I'm going to use row number to identifying the duplicate records. Row number over here. I am giving partition by at the user ID level and order date level, and then order amount level as well. Order amount and order by order amount. Okay, as row number. Okay, so why I gave here partition by user ID? Because we have to identify the duplicate records according to the user ID and their order date and the order amount as well. It means won't be, if it means any user can do the order with the same date, but the order amount should be different. If the order amount is still is remains same as the previous, so we can consider those as the duplicate records. Okay, so let's see how this row number will generate the row. So for the user ID A, we have the row number 1, and for the user ID B, we have the row number 1st and 2nd. If okay, so this is the duplicate record, so we are getting row number 2nd. For the user ID C, we first row we are getting 1st, and then for the next duplicate record we are getting 2nd, and for the third row we are getting 1st. Okay, because it's a distinct row. Okay, so now now we have to delete those. So for that I am using with CT as, okay, then delete from CT where row number is greater than 1. So see, where the row number is greater than 1, we are getting for the duplicate records with the row number, we have a number where it's more than 1. Okay, so suppose if we have the 3 times of the duplicate record, so it row number will assign 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and only we want to delete second and third, we have to keep first as well. So due to this, I'm giving this condition, and I used a row number here. Okay, let's see how the data look like. So it affected two rows. The query ran successfully. Now we need to check select start from orders. Okay, so let's see, we have a or distinct. You can see here we have deleted all duplicate records. For the B, user ID B, we had a two previously rows, so we have single rows now. And for the user ID C, we had a three rows, so we have two rows only. And for the order amount 20 K, we had a two rows, so second row he deleted from here. So hope this solution would help you, and please try this query to run from yourself as well. And if you get helpful this, please do not forget to do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.